Hello and welcome to another video with F&SYamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania. We're coming from Union City, Tennessee at Excel's dealer show. If you're not familiar with us at F&S, check us out at our website at FSYamaha.com, our very active YouTube channel, F&SYamaha, our Google listing and Facebook listings. I'm Andy. I'm the guy that sells most of the fishing boats, especially the higher end, more technical boats. I'm usually the guy that the people will go to. Anyway, we're fairly new with Excel boats. We've been in business many years though, and this is a new model for 2027 I'm pretty excited about. Check it out. So this is a new 2027 Cat Pro. They make this in a 20 foot and also a 21 foot. The 20 foot's a max 200 horsepower, and the 21 foot is a max of 250. They're telling me, and I didn't run these yet, I'm going to run them tomorrow, but they're telling me that the 21 foot with the 250 is a upper 60 mile an hour boat. That's pretty fast. These you see have Suzuki's on, but we are Yamaha exclusive. We'll be only doing Yamahas. If you're not familiar with Excel, they are a all welded aluminum boat, completely welded together, including the floors. It's one solid piece of aluminum. All aluminum trailer, of course tandem axle once you get to this size of a boat. Aluminum wheels. See the big side guides on the side there. We'll be running jack plates on these Cat Pros. This particular one has a 10-inch Bob's machine. We'll be running 10-inch on them as well. See, this is one of the new camo patterns. This is a mossy oak bottomland, and it has clear coat. I don't know if you can see that, but it's clear coated. 21 footer. I'll jump in the boats here in a second to show you the differences between the two, but different camo pattern. Forgive me, I'm terrible with colors, but I'm going to go into technical details of the boats. But they have endless color options. Take note to undergunnel exterior lights there too. We can do undergunnel exterior lights, undergunnel interior lights, and also rear lights as well. There's 3 different lights options with these boats. Take note to the bottoms with the reverse chines. That's that corner turn down piece. Mod B with the big strakes. Same hull design with the 20 footer. Jumping in. Aqua traction flooring is an option. Several colors of the aqua traction. So where you're getting the extra foot between 20 and 21 is right here and behind the seats. And you can kind of see it there. That's where the extra space is. The rear live well is the same, and this is a Cat live well, so it is ginormous. And I apologize, I forgot to look at the spec sheet of the size of this thing, but it is big. Shocks on the door because it's a big door. Dual feeds, dual drains. It is a big boy. Big fuel tank. Plenty of room back here for batteries or pumps. See the on-off switch. And I forgot to look to see the fuel tank. Let's see if we can help me see it though. Oh, this one's 30 gallons. See the aqua traction floor, like I said. All of the boats come standard with spray-on liner on the top of the decks. That's similar to truck bed liner. Makes it very durable. Track system along the top of the gunnels, standard. You see, even the floors are completely welded in. They're not riveted in. Big dash. We can do up to a 12-inch, I believe, flush mount, or there's options for aftermarket mounts like Bass Boat Tech mounts and whatnot too. More storage here. This is actually another aerated live well as an option up front for small live well. More storage. foot pedal is recessed in. It's welded structure into the boat. It's underneath that plate. You can see 3 across seat bases. Is of course pre-wired for trolling motor, 6-gauge wire. These seats of course spin around for catfishing. Stainless foldable cleats, you can see them there in the corners. Jumping into the 21. So this is quite a bit more room in the 21. Like I said, endless color options of whatever you have in mind. Possibilities. They even clear coated the console that color. Man, the clear coat looks great on that camo. This is the first I've seen in person one of their clear coat kits. Rear storage is the same on this one as it is the 20 footer. If you're not familiar with us, like I said, check us out at our website at FSYamaha.com. We're privately owned in Hanover, Pennsylvania. My grandpa started things as a sporting goods store in the late 40s. My dad is the current owner. I've been there over 30 years myself, but we're very service oriented. We go through boats very thoroughly. Not just Excel, but every brand of boat in the industry needs some help when it comes in the factories to check things and improve upon things and fix things. That's just the boating industry. And the good dealers will do that. And we'll also water test every single boat that we sell, because there's certain things that can only be tested in the water. And, excuse me, we'll go with you to the water as well. If you'd like to go to the water, we'll show you how to use your boat in the water. Or for meeting, we have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us. Everywhere. And I meet a lot of people halfway, regardless of how far away you are. We do a lot of that. And then we'll try to meet at a waterway if we do that. Show you how to use your boat. We do a lot of custom riggings, electronics, shallow water anchors, lithium batteries, you name it. We do a lot of all of it. If you see our completed customer boats on our YouTube channel, when we do involve customer boats like that, I try to do a walkthrough video when we're done, just to make sure we're doing everything correctly, and it's kind of a self-check system for us and our customers. But it's a good place for other customers to see all the possibilities. Right next door here, that's the 250th anniversary boat. It's pretty cool. They even color coded the motor. That's pretty neat. I appreciate you watching. Again, I'm Andy here at F&S. If you have questions on this boat or any other boat, feel free to contact us. Check us out at our website at FSYamaha.com. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.